Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Revision. Letter and picture matching. Today, we have a fun revision activity. We will say the name of each picture and match it with the correct letter. And guess what? You also get to color the correct picture in each row. First row, letter P. The letter in this row is P. P says P. Now let's look at the pictures. A rat, a parrot, a ball. Which one starts with P? Correct answer. Parrot. P for parrot. Now color the parrot. Second row, letter Q. The letter here is Q. Q says quail. Let's look at the pictures. A panda, a strawberry, a quail. Which one starts with Q? Correct answer, quail. Q for quail. Color the quail. Third row, letter R. The letter here is R. R says R. Let's see our pictures. A balloon, a rabbit, a mango. Which one starts with R? Correct answer, rabbit. R for rabbit. Color the rabbit. Fourth row, letter G. The letter here is G. G says G. Let's check the pictures. A hat, a jug, a grapes. Which one starts with G? Correct answer, grapes. G for grapes. Color the grapes. Fifth row, letter M. The letter in this row is M. M says mem. Here are the pictures. An apple, a ball, a mango. Which one starts with M? Correct answer, mango. M for mango. Color the mango. Sixth row, letter K. The letter in this row is K. K says K. Look at the pictures. A kettle, a strawberry, a leaf. Which one starts with K? Correct answer, kettle. K for kettle. Color the kettle. Fantastic job! You matched all the letters with the right pictures. Now grab your colors and fill them in beautifully. Keep practicing and you'll be a letter master soon. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye-bye!